Living with fibromyalgia can disrupt every aspect of your life, especially daily physical activities. Well, if this is the case for you, good news, because the specialists at Florida Pain Relief Group want to help. Joining us today is Dr. Rudy Gary to talk about how to deal better with fibromyalgia. And you and I were just talking before this segment started, and every patient is different who may have this diagnosis. So how do you treat the unique patients that you may see?
So what we first do is we take a thorough history, an examination, we look at all of your medical records, and we want to hear from you specifically. When I went to medical school, there was an old country doctor that told me, listen to your patients and they will give you the diagnosis. So I take that to heart. But we do a lot more than that, not just history and examination. We actually perform a unique makeup of your genetics, because your genetics is different based on your metabolism. So it's a little swab, it's called pharmacogenomics. We're going to determine that, and it'll tell us exactly which medications work for you, which medications don't work for you. That's going to allow us to give much better pain control with less medications.
Which I'm assuming is obviously better, because right now we've heard the epidemic of pain medicines in this country. So you guys are kind of stopping it before it even can become a problem for a lot of these patients.
Well, what happens is if you take enough medications, you'll have no pain, but you also may not have a life either. So what we want to do is take care of your pain with trying to avoid medications. If we have to use medications, let's use the right ones for you. There are some medications that this test that we perform that tells us, don't even try it. It's not going to work. And so we go there. We're also going to look at you and say, okay, are there other things going on? Do you have a pinched nerve? Do you have other things that are happening that are making this fibromyalgia worse? If you look at fibromyalgia is actually two words. Fibro means fibrous, myalgia means inflammation of your muscles. So we want to try to find out what's causing it, and we're going to treat the fibromyalgia with different techniques other than pain medications. And
you obviously have doctors that these patients are already working with. You work with them. You look at it as a collaboration. So this can just be another option for patients to get them out of pain.
Absolutely. So Florida Pain Relief Group is many doctors, and we work together. The only thing that we do is take care of your pain. That is our passion. And it's not just pain medications. There's all kinds of different options, way too many options to be able to talk in a short period, but we're going to find whatever we can to give your life back.
And you're right on the cusp of cutting edge technology as well that you're going to introduce to your patients, true?
Absolutely. We do whatever is out there to help you with your pain.
And when should a patient, or when should someone say, okay, you know what, this is it. I need to give these guys a call. I've had enough. How would you recommend that for people out there who are watching?
Well, if you're watching the show and you're saying, I'm in pain a lot and I have to live with it, the answer is no. You don't have to live with it. You can go to a primary care doctor, or you can go to us directly, because we're going to work very closely with your physician as a collaborative effort. Just like you would go to your cardiologist if you're having heart problems, you can go to us if you're having pain problems, and we're going to make a diagnosis and try to find out what works best for you.
And try to avoid surgery with a lot of other joint pain that people may have.
We want to try to avoid surgery, and we want to minimize pain medications.
Oh, win-win. Thank you so much, Doctor. We always appreciate your time. And as always, if you want any more information, just be sure to check out their website, floridapainreliefgroup.com, or be sure and give them a call at 844-KICK-PAIN.